Good morning, beautiful people. It's your moment to pause, breathe, and commit to a journey of healing and relaxation. Today, we explore the serene connection between our mental state and physical health, specifically through the soothing practice of meditation aimed at enhancing our sleep. This video is crafted to guide you gently towards better health and deeper restorative sleep, through meditation techniques that anyone can adopt in the comfort of their home. Our bodies are intricate systems, always striving for balance and health. But in our fast-paced, often chaotic world, stress becomes a common, sometimes uninvited guest in our lives. It disrupts this balance, leading to physical and mental health challenges. Chronic stress can manifest as insomnia, muscle tension, headaches, or even more complex health issues like hypertension and weakened immune systems. Meditation emerges as a powerful ally in our quest for health, offering a peaceful weapon against the waves of stress that threaten our well-being. Healing isn't just about treating symptoms, but addressing the root causes of our ailments, which often lie hidden in the stresses of our daily grind. Meditation helps us tap into the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's natural relaxation response, which is essential for healing and rejuvenation. By engaging in meditation, we encourage our bodies to shift from the stress-induced fight or flight mode to a state of rest and digest, where healing naturally begins. This shift is not only vital for immediate relaxation, but also for long-term health benefits, including improved sleep, better immune function, and increased energy levels. To start on this meditative journey, creating a conducive environment is crucial. Think of your meditation space as a sanctuary where peace and calm prevail. Start by choosing a quiet corner of your home, where interruptions are least likely. This could be anywhere you feel comfortable and at ease. A small nook by the window, a dedicated corner of your living room, or even a peaceful spot in your bedroom. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the right mood for meditation. Dim or soft lighting helps signal to your brain that it's time to unwind and relax. If possible, use candles or dimmable lamps to create a soft, ambient glow that soothes your eyes and calms your mind. Comfort is key, so place a comfortable cushion or chair in your space, ensuring it supports your posture without causing discomfort during the meditation. Equally important is the air quality and temperature in your meditation space. Ensure the room is well ventilated, perhaps with a slight coolness to the air, which can help keep you alert yet relaxed. Some people find the addition of a subtle, natural fragrance beneficial. A hint of lavender, sandalwood, or even the fresh scent of lemon can enhance the sensory experience, preparing your body and mind for a deep, meditative state. With your space set up, turn off any distracting sounds. Silence your electronic devices, and consider a do not disturb sign if you share your space with others. These small acts of preparation not only enhance your meditation experience, but also signify to your mind and body that it's time to transition from the chaos of the outside world to the tranquility of your inner world. Now that you have created a serene environment, the next step is to focus on your breath, which is the cornerstone of any meditation practice. Breathing deeply and correctly can significantly enhance the calming effects of meditation, helping to still the mind and relax the body further. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight but not stiff. Close your eyes gently. Let's begin with a simple breathing exercise known as diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose, allowing your belly to push your hand out, while your chest remains relatively still. Hold this breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your belly fall naturally. This technique helps reduce the heart rate and promote physical calm, serving as a powerful tool to combat anxiety and stress. Continue this breathing pattern for a few minutes, focusing solely on the rise and fall of your belly. With each breath, imagine drawing in peace and exhaling any tension or stress you feel within your body. This practice not only aids in relaxation, but also prepares your mind for deeper meditation, making it more receptive to the healing process that follows. Transitioning from focused breathing, we move into body scan meditation. This practice involves mentally scanning yourself from head to toe, observing sensations throughout the body without judgment. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your attention down to your toes. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, but instead of trying to change these feelings, simply acknowledge them. This acknowledgement helps to cultivate a deeper awareness of bodily tensions that you may not typically notice. While you scan each part of your body, visualize breathing warmth and relaxation into these areas. For example, if you detect tension in your shoulders, imagine your breath flowing there, carrying warmth and relaxation that melts away the tightness. This visualization not only promotes relaxation throughout the body, but also helps in developing a mindful connection between the mind and body, enhancing overall serenity and balance. Continue this process slowly, allowing each part of your body to relax with each breath. Take your time with this scan, ensuring that no area is overlooked. By the end of this exercise, aim to have a holistic sense of physical calmness, readying yourself for deeper meditative practices. With a mind calmer and more attuned to the body's sensations, we now look into visualization, a potent method to further deepen your meditative state and harness your internal healing capabilities. Visualization in meditation is using your imagination to foster healing and tranquility throughout your body. This technique is particularly effective in not only reducing stress, but also in enhancing your overall sense of well-being. Begin by imagining a warm, gentle light enveloping the top of your head. This light represents healing energy that is both pure and soothing. As you breathe in, envision this light slowly descending through your body, from your head down to your neck, shoulders, arms, and all the way to your fingertips. With each breath, this healing energy brings warmth and relaxation to each part of your body it touches. Allow this visualization to bring a sense of peace as the light travels down to your chest, abdomen, legs, and finally, your feet. Feel the warmth as it expels any lingering tension or discomfort from each area. This light is not just a figment of your imagination. It is a representation of your body's natural ability to heal and find balance. Allow yourself to be in this moment, with the healing energy revitalizing each cell in your body. This practice not only helps in reducing physical ailments, but also strengthens your mental resilience against everyday stresses. While your visualization continues, integrate gentle healing affirmations into your meditation. Affirmations are positive statements that can help to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When spoken with conviction, they can significantly alter your mindset, enhancing your healing process and overall meditation experience. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I allow my body to restore itself tonight. Each breath brings me deeper into a state of peace, and I am worthy of complete healing and rest. These affirmations are designed to reinforce the visualizations of healing, making the experience more profound and impactful. As you repeat these phrases, believe in their truth and feel their power manifest within you. Each affirmation should flow with your breath. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. This synchrony not only deepens your relaxation but also embeds these positive messages into your subconscious, aiding in your journey towards health and wellness. While you become more familiar with the flow of your breath and the power of your visualizations and affirmations, it's now time to deepen your meditation practice. This part of the journey focuses on enhancing the depth and stability of your meditative state, allowing you to experience a more profound sense of peace and healing. Begin by gently shifting your focus to a specific sound or mantra. This could be a simple sound like Om, which is traditionally associated with a calming effect on the mind and body. Repeat this sound silently in your mind with each exhale. Let each repetition be a wave that washes over you, carrying away tension and unrest, leaving tranquility in its wake. Allow the mantra to resonate within you, filling each part of your body with vibration and energy. This practice helps to center your mind, reducing wandering thoughts and bringing you into a deeper connection with the present moment. As you continue, you may notice that your body feels lighter and your mind clearer. This clarity is a sign that you are reaching a deeper meditative state, which is conducive to healing and restoration. We focus on actively releasing the stresses and worries that accumulate throughout the day. This release is crucial for transitioning into a state conducive to sleep and healing. Visualize each stressor as a physical object that you are placing on a flowing river. As you exhale, imagine these objects, your worries, your to-do list, your tensions, floating away down the river, becoming smaller and less significant as they drift further from you. Focus on the sensation of release with each exhale. Feel your shoulders drop and your breath deepen as the weight of these burdens lifts. It's important to acknowledge these stresses as part of your day, but equally important to let them go as the day ends. This symbolic release not only helps in calming your mind, but also in physically preparing your body for restful sleep. Let each breath be a reminder that you have the power to release what no longer serves you. With each breath out, you let go of tension, and with each breath in, you draw in peace and calm. This practice not only prepares you for a deeper sleep, but also for a fresher start when you wake. While we draw nearer to the conclusion of our meditative practice, it's essential to smoothly transition this cultivated state of calm and relaxation into deep, restorative sleep. This transition is crucial in allowing the benefits of meditation to extend throughout the night, fostering a healing sleep that rejuvenates both mind and body. Begin by gradually reducing the focus on your mantra or any specific visualization. Allow your mind to enjoy the quiet and the stillness that your meditation has created. Gently shift your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath, observing its effortless flow in and out of your body. This simple awareness helps maintain the tranquility you've developed, serving as a gentle bridge to sleep. As you lie down, continue to breathe deeply, feeling each breath as an invitation to deeper relaxation. With each exhale, let your body sink a little deeper into your bed. Trust that your body knows how to carry over this peacefulness into sleep. There's no need to force or rush the process. Let the transition happen naturally and gently. While we conclude this guided meditation for healing and sleep, take a moment to acknowledge the peace and relaxation you have cultivated today. It's a testament to your body's inherent ability to heal and your mind's capacity to find calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Remember, each time you engage in this practice, you deepen your connection to a peaceful night's sleep and enhance your overall well-being. Reflect on the sensations you feel now, the softness of your breath, the lightness of your body, and the calm in your mind. These are all signs that you are well prepared for a good night's sleep, one that will allow you to wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, to heal and to rest. You can return to these practices anytime you feel the need to calm your mind and body. Take this calm with you into your sleep as the film softly ends, and remember that you can return to this calm condition whenever you'd like. Rest well and recuperate quickly.